amazing moms. Today we learned how to assemble and use a manual breast pump safely and comfortably. Let's review. Always wash your hands first. Insert the silicone valve securely. Attach the breast shield. Screw the bottle onto the pump body. Attach the handle and test it. Sit comfortably and relax. Place the shield properly and begin pumping gently. Use slow, steady movements. Manual pumping provides flexibility for young mothers. It allows you to continue breastfeeding even when life gets busy. Breast milk is perfectly designed for your baby's needs. It provides nutrition, protection, and comfort. Remember, every mother's journey is different. Be patient with yourself. You are strong, capable, and doing your best. Thank you for taking the time to learn and improve your breastfeeding knowledge.